Could you please introduce yourself?
My name is Manan. I am from Srinagar, Sora. I have done my bachelor's from NIT Srinagar. After that, I have qualified JKS. Now I have qualified UPSC with a rank of 88.
You had already qualified JKS.
Yeah, it was in 2022. I had qualified JKS. After that, I had qualified UPSC with 231 rank, and I am right now into service of IPS.
So when you had already qualified JKS, what motivated you to go for this IAS?
The thing which kept me motivated is my dream of becoming what I had chosen to be. So that was the only thing which kept me motivated.
Sir, you talked a lot and we learned a lot from you today. I was actually present here. You touched different subjects here, but I just want to know what about personality development?
See, the personality development a student develops over time in this preparation. That is what I said to these students again and again, that you should have that dedication and that perseverance which keeps you motivated, and the circle, the friend circle you have, which will ensure that you have that positive energy around you and that healthy competition with one another, where you and your friends could both grow and ensure that both of you, or whatever is your friend circle, all of them get selected.
Not negative competition only.
There should never be a negative competition in this, and you should always have friend circle where you help each other to grow.
Sir, I just want to know what about your interview. When you faced the interview, were you nervous?
Definitely. I mean, during the interview, everyone is nervous because you don't know whatever questions they will ask. But the most important thing which I felt in the interview is your presence of mind.
Yes.
And your calmness, which should be there to make sure that you are able to answer all the questions in a very calm and composed manner. Because what happens in the interview, they try to intimidate you or keep you under pressure. So make sure that you have a calm and composure to answer those questions.
Could you please tell our audience who will watch this video, how many questions were posed to you and what were your answers?
See, I'm not able to remember the total number of questions, but the difference between previous year and this year was that much of the questions in this year were related to J&K with respect to the investment policy, Article 370, I mean, a lot of formation of a UT. So there were a lot of questions based on that, to which I answered in a very good way. So definitely, I mean, you should have all your answers prepared well before you face the interview. So definitely.
One more question is about the current affairs. We all know that current affairs is an important part in UPSC examination, in any examination I should say. What do you suggest, sir, to them? Should they rely on these news channels or should they read newspapers to gain more and more knowledge, more and more information about the current happenings?
See, for the interview part and the current affairs in the interviews they ask, I think most of the things will get covered in the newspaper. So I think newspaper is the most important source for the current affairs. So I think newspaper will be sufficient for the current affairs.
Newspaper will be sufficient. My last question is, what will be your message to those who are aspiring for this examination?
My message will be keep dreaming. Don't leave your dream in between. And if you have that dedication and that perseverance within you will achieve your goal.
आप मुझे बताइए जो IAS एक्सेप्शनल एकेडमी है इसके बारे में बताइए, और आज जो सेमिनार था जिसमें मनान साहब थे
आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया यहाँ आने के लिए। हम एक्सेप्शनल IAS एकेडमी यहाँ पे 2022 से चला रहे हैं। लास्ट ईयर जून में हमने स्टार्ट किया था और तब से हमारे 2 बैचेस स्टार्ट हुए हैं, जिसमें हमने हमेशा कोशिश की हम क्वालिटी फैकल्टी को लेके आए जो अक्रॉस द कंट्री पढ़ाते हैं, और क्वालिटी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है हमारे पास जिसके लिए बच्चों को दिल्ली ना जाना पड़े। हमारे पास जो क्लासरूम्स है, वेल इक्विप्ड क्लासरूम्स है जिसमें हमारे सारे क्लासेस रिकॉर्ड होते हैं, रिकॉर्डेड सेशंस होते हैं, और हमेशा टाइम टू टाइम हम एस्पिरेंट्स को लाते हैं, क्वालिफायर्स को लाते हैं। जैसे कि आज आपने देखा हम UPSC टॉपर जिनकी रैंक 88 थी, मनान बट्स को सर को यहाँ के लाए थे टू इंटरेक्ट विद स्टूडेंट्स, जिनकी स्टूडेंट्स की कोई भी क्वेरी है, एंड कीप देम मोटिवेटेड टुवर्ड्स द सर्विसेज। हम हमेशा से ऐसा करते रहे और आगे भी करते रहेंगे। और बाकी हमारी जो फैकल्टी रहती है, टॉप क्लास फैकल्टी है जो अक्रॉस द कंट्री पढ़ाती है। हमारा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है फ्रॉम वी हैव 5 फ्लोर्स, इट्स वन ऑफ द बेस्ट फैकल्टी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर्स अराउंड दिस एरिया। दैट्स इट।
स्टूडेंट्स जो है उनका मतलब फ्लो कैसा है इस एकेडमी में?
We have a good flow. We have students from across the valley. We have students from south. We have students from north. माशाल्लाह we have a good flow of students जो हर डिस्ट्रिक्ट से आते हैं यहाँ पे एक सपना लेके, और हम कोशिश करते हैं उस सपने को आकार करें। हम उस सपने के लिए जो हमसे हो सकता है मेहनत करें और उन्हें राइट गाइडेंस दे, राइट एनवायरनमेंट दे, दैट्स इट।
फैकल्टी कैसी है?
हमारी जो सारी फैकल्टी रहती है, हमारी आईएएस में फैकल्टी रहती है, दैट इज़ कमिंग फ्रॉम दिल्ली एंड आउट ऑफ दिस स्टेट, जो कि अक्रॉस द कंट्री बड़े बड़े इंस्टीट्यूट्स में पढ़ाते हैं, जिनका अच्छा खासा एक्सपीरियंस है टुवर्ड्स द सर्विसेज, जो एटलीस्ट जिन्होंने यूपीएससी प्रीलिम्स इंटरव्यू ड्रॉप आउट्स होते हैं, जिन्होंने यूपीएससी के मेंस लिखे होते हैं, जिनका एम्पल एक्सपीरियंस होता है थ्रू आउट द कंट्री, वो यहाँ पे आके पढ़ाते हैं।
थैंक यू सर।